Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwunokwodin want make una hear wetin dey happen. He say na only Nigeria.
Na only Nigeria thief go come out dey look for who you wan go catch thief. Na only in Nigeria people go come out say they dey ask questions say where you dey. If you point this hand, the rest dey point to you. If you do like this, the rest. Una come hear story ooo. Ogbonge story. Story wey make me change topic. Osakwunokwodin in the building. Story wey make me change topic. Osakwunokwodin in the building. What keep this in my room? Mokuna come hear story ooo. Story wey make me change topic. Osakwunokwodin. Very firstly, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. This time not be English. And me, your brother, your friend, Comrade Stanley Osakwunokwodin. You're going to discuss today. And I call you all, make you join me. First, in our society, so people they claim to be good. They pretend to be good. But for their mind, they are bad. I don't want to talk much, but anything where anybody to do, I advise you do one way. Now foundation you do one way. Even they say distraction they come from other corner, remain focused, not listen to anybody. For as long as you know, say you do the right thing at the right time, be focused. Except if your mind is dirty, now you will fear. Now only Nigeria thief go come out, they look for who you want to go catch thief. Not only in Nigeria, people will come and say that they ask questions, say, where you dey? If you point this hand, the rest they point to you. If you do like this, the rest face you. But that will not be my topic again this evening. I don't want to talk about what I want to tell our brothers and sisters. We say, anything you do and well, remain focused and be determined. Their enemies are bound to be everywhere. They want to make sure, so you. I think people will be say for their mind, they claim say me and then a friend. But when they see something way good, where they come aside, they will divert them. But one thing where they don't believe, when me know, we say that will be my own. It can never be diverted. If they divert them, that will not be my own. My own, you know, if you change them. The one for Osakwunokwodin will be for Osakwunokwodin. Now, another matter there today. I dey hear say the school wey me for round up Auchi Polytechnic. Some northern lecturers, whenever they the school, some say that they the school on impromptu basis. I bet they never tell them come enter. Then they brag now say now them. They get the connection from government to determine who become the rector of the school. They say you will, in order to be sincere, it's not be time to talk about tribalism. Now my school be this, I'm concerned about it. So I must talk about Auchi Polytechnic. Quest for rectorship. Quest for rectorship. As we speak, some men for North, they say, now we will decide to get the connection from government. They can put us immediately for position. All right. They put us in position immediately. Yes, immediately. I get connection from government. But to us, I don't care whether I'm a man from a donut, a man from a docent, or a man from a dosa, now I become the rector of the institution. But say make one man from outside come because of say that either Buhari federal government or Buhari brother, we don't go allow him. So I want to call on the SLS of Obaseki. We know say this one federal institution, you don't get power for them, and the truth. You don't have any power there. But because of the fact that you don't get full power there, as the governor of the state, no agree make that kind of thing happen. In northern part of this country, a certain and no be HOD. No talk of rector in an institution of higher learning. A Southerner cannot be given the opportunity to be an HOD in any of the school in the north. If anyone, they prove me wrong. If anyone, they prove me wrong. But for here, everybody wants you just come and say, I have the connection. We say a connection. Now, to me, I don't know who they run for that position now for Auchi Polytechnic. But if you look at the structure of that school, I know say the registrar, like from Edo South, the bossa, now from Edo Central. So the rectorship is supposed to be from Edo North. And if you look at that Edo North, I know how many times Auchi don't carry am. They don't carry am way. On one, don't carry am. Not with tribalism we talk about, when we talk about egalitarian, if we can talk about ASA agenda in government, the Benin agenda in government, in an institution of higher learning like this, it is important that we maintain egalitarianism, otherwise known as equality, amongst all clans. So for now, the people of Akoko Edo should as well be given the opportunity to immediately occupy that position, because since when that school starts to exist, this set of people, we are one in this country. But what you concern me, who carry here, who carry there, who carry not be a problem. But say one man come out from one territory because he's saying that Buhari, bro, no Buhari, can carry that rectorship. If we allow yes, that's it, finish with that one. And the one that they brag. If you come to Abuja here, before you get a job in Abuja, your name must be Abdullahi. You cannot get a job as Osakwinokwo in Abuja. It's not easy. As I say, they cut soup for you. Make you go back for Uber River. How many men get men go back for Uber River? E.g. me no get men. And I believe, say, the general will be off camera, no get men. But this set of people, they take an advantage of the situation of this country. Let me tell you, they shine our eye. Not to say not concern me. No. Now from small. Now here we did that the way they say the Imam the Emir of Shawa Edo State in this state. So because of that, we must be vigilant in us fair. We must be vigilant in us fair to make sure say any of this their plan not see the light of the day. So Governor Obaseki, you must rise, because we know say, I know say fine, you not get that strength to go talk with Federal Polytechnic, but as a governor of the state, you get the influence. And to our father, the Oba of Benin, Oba the second, Okidigan for that matter. You cannot sit and watch this same activity taking place. This thing happened before for Unimed. They bring Professor Wansi, Professor this, Professor that for different things. When Senator Zame enter Senate, then they say no. We can no longer continue like this. Unimed not there for so many years. No, I don't want to be rector. Sorry, be the vice chancellor of the institute. Are we going to continue like this? Immediately, the man swing into action. Not be small political fight. Now, Professor, the first ever Benin man, Professor Saiki Oshodi, emerged because of the letter written and approved by late Dr. Samuel Bemudia, as requested by President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, saying, if you want me and the man, we need a letter to confirm that what you are fighting for Zambia is being approved by your people. And who is the person that Jonathan respects a lot? Late Dr. Samuel Bemudia. Bemudia immediately wrote the letter and gave it to Zambia. Zambia submitted it. Before the man, I'm telling you about Jonathan Yar'Adua administration. Until date, it has been in league from Professor Saiki Oshodi to this man who just still lose guard recently. And you get to the point. Forgotten his name. Let me not just mention that one's name. So we should be more concerned about this. This is an Edo affair. I don't care if you, I said it before now. I didn't say you should bring it to Edo South. We have the registrar, we have the bossa. Already this is part of the state. Edo Central, Edo South. They don't know what the rectorship should go. But for those, they should, even if someone from Akoko Edo is not in the race, the people of Akoko Edo should go and look for somebody to be part of the race. Because equity demands that everyone must have a fair share in the scheme of things. Now our school be that, now our academy be that. Now let that school be school where we say if you stand, if you not put on more for there, after the design will mold you. Ali, you know, I tell you, if you stand and if you not quick move, they'll mold you. If you talk to somebody, you not quick commodity, they'll give you drawing, and it will mimic you to the last. At that school, when it comes to art, engineering, not try that school. No your worry. No your worry. Engineering, art, anything technical, don't try to check on it. Don't bother. No bother. If you like, you go any school. No bother. No bother. When it comes to technicalities, we know they talk about yes, other school of business, those other areas. Fine. If you go school of business, in normal level, na school you go. But I see them as mistake. Those one are what you need to go study for, like universities and others. When you talk about technicalities, just forget. Not bother yourself to compare. So for now, we must be ready to do what is right and take what rightfully belongs to us as a people. I hear the matter today. I shocked. Those people hear the brag say, no problem. No problem. We are not tenants. Letter will come from Abuja. Those letters must be rejected. Such a letter must be rejected. So I want to state this clearly. If an Akoko Edo man is not in the race, go and look for one Akoko Edo people. Go and look for your best intellectual who happens to be a lecturer in Naochi Polytechnic to vie for the position of rectorship, and that person must be qualified, regardless of your region. The requirements that is expedient to provide must remain imperative. Not say because you look for one, you just say, when you look for six, we don't say, well, your management, we don't want manage. There must be absolute readiness and qualification on the part of those vying for the position. Actually, my discussion today, not to discuss and to encourage all these foundation people, but I just choose to withdraw from that discussion. Because, to me, this one is very, very painful. Because that braggness and embarrassment to me, and to many people, will be very relative. He said, don't worry now. You go and just don't worry. Go and relax. Paper will soon come from Abuja. I am a northerner in this state. We know real. So I'm raising an awareness. I am raising an awareness, and I'm calling on His Excellency God the Elders of Baseki, our royal father, our daddy, the Oba of Benin, and the Otaro of Auchi. In fact, all traditional rulers should be part of the process. The governor must take a drastic action. And I expect the governor to as well communicate with Mr. President in respect to this issue. Let this thing remain with us. As we speak, the acting rector of Auchi Polytechnic is not from Edo State. Can you do that in the north? Can you? What kind of issue is this? Emir Fono here. What's your delay? I think this one a case of saying, for you to allow the carrier, you go through here. Now this kind of case, and we'll say no shake and go through here. No, we don't feel like saying you can only allow person will be sick when they carry something. When you can only allow person when we say if he carry something, he go take come like say a normal thing. He go say thank you for giving me the opportunity to carry on. That person they say, no worry now. God, why you worry yourself? I am a northerner. Eh? No, no. No, 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 no. Swing into action. Our Father, Daddy, swing into action as well. I know that this video is going to get to you. Please share. Share this video. Share this video. There is dirty politics currently going on in Nauchi Polytechnic. And this is one of our reputable institutions in Nigeria. Many people don't know where that story comes from. Now, Vasabe make a better shot. Many people don't know the story. You know the story. You want to know the story. When you go to you hear one word and you say, I invest now. Vasabe make a better shot. You're not talking. Go. What you cause at that time? When they want to bring this out, she will technique come. Now, but they're supposed to, they say no, they're not there, like, they're not agree.
When you come to Islamic,
they say they say they don't agree. They don't agree. Now, she people agree now. Now, there, over Sabi level of protection, now then that statement with the year, hey, now over Sabi make a better shot. What will the talk way back? Now, there come off. So this is the time for us to protect that institution. 2A, 1, let it remain in Edo State. I don't care who becomes the rector for as long as you are from Edo. Somebody has talked yesterday for life. Somebody asked me, say, hello, Combe. Now you are aware that Tony Kabaka is running for APC state youth leadership. What do you think about it? Do you support him? I said, first of all, I'm not a member of APC and I don't have the capacity to vote or right to vote in the party. But secondly, if Tony Kabaka becomes the state youth leader of APC tomorrow, is he going to attract development to Zamfara? Will he not attract it to Edo State? Okay, when you want to do elections, because during elections, party structure is always important. If Kabaka have the opportunity to meet with the president and give the president, the excellency, sir, Edo people the first, if one more win Edo for this, that you see that Benin Wari road, go and fix it too. If at the end of the day they come fix that road, I'm not going to see opportunity to pass. Would they not say, because I not be APC man, I cannot drive past federal road? Or am I an enemy of progress when I will see another man growth, they pay me for body? If you deprive, if they are sending 20 naira to you, or even 100 naira to you, I say, no, give them more. They will not add it to my own. That money will waste. So that's your own, man. Go with your own. That's why, see, that is why to me, if they pay me, when I see say people they come out for social media, go they call, go they attack, people they run foundations. Believe me, that's none of my business. The only man that can attack who runs a foundation is the man who gives the foundation money. Why should I be crying for the expenditure of another man? Is that my business? Now, so I'm going to come here. I get 15 naira. I choose to say I want to give them 20 naira. If you like to give the all of them, now you know. But when they want my 50, I will use my 50 the way I want to use it. I know to get that time for another man's business, bro. I have my business, man. Let me focus. You don't have to look you. The reason you own. My own is poor for connecting. So I don't know what you went to the happen now. Do you know how many pressure will they get on the daily basis? I never ever come up for a house in the morning one day make I return myself. It must be 9, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 10. Because we want to walk around the clock. I will continue to receive more jobs. I will continue to deliver. As we speak, I started as an Usakulukudi and one of my staff. From there we turn 2. We don't be plus, we turn 3. We turn 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because we have 2 girls right now. 11. No, not clap for me. You know, listen, not clap for me. I tell you what, me, not clap for me. Because if you clap for me, I don't be proud with that. I know you need that clap. I'm only expressing opinion. If you say, it could be like say the growth, not me. I'm only there for the management. Now people make it possible. Bros, our character be like clothes with a song for rope. Benin say Ilawude. Who the pass this year? No matter how you hide reach, time will reveal who you truly are. No matter how you hide reach. That's why, like me, believe me, bros. I know fit call myself name now. But me as I did so, my heart, I cannot be a judge in my own case. But I know say I be perfect human because I was born by Adam and Eve as well. According to the story what they tell us, because I not did there when Bible starts. Apart from that sinful tendency that is in us, when it comes to issue of human being and jealousy, my mind is as clear as snow. You get somebody when they fight me to for social media. You know what he talk? He say, when we use why they do live video, he come meet me, tell me say, my teacher after the one said there was a skill side. There is a skill side when I need to teach her. I not be teacher. That's the kind of person that I am. That's true. He said not to teach me. I went there to request to know. Because my quest for knowledge, no bound. What do you feel do? When me not feel do, I will beg you to teach me. Bros. No big boy for life. If na small boy no road, follow am. If na omomo no road, follow am. You be big boy, Mama you fian boy. That boy too small for me to follow, it too small. Na me suppose that no. If na omomo no road, follow am. After I run away forward, you define. Now me tell you say come. Of a truth, success is not determined by a private part. So it's not a must that a man must be successful than a woman. It's not a must. A woman that is successful, a rich man is just an added advantage. They don't need that. So I believe the whole of us should learn to mind our business. Bros, work too many. But if you don't mind your business, you know if you know. Let me give you a classical example. Yes, we tried to come before 2016, 2017, but it's secret to it. But believe me, Osakono Bodi was a clear nobody. That's the truth. So if anybody tells you, who he be yesterday, who he be, you are very right. I was a nobody. Until now, I am still a nobody. But the difference is that, as of now, people who don't know me before don't know me. Let me be different. People who don't know me before don't know me. Some people say, call them Sakuno Bodi, call them. Now the young will be new. Call them. Now lie, you are not any new. Talking for Facebook, not missing that you will be new. Maybe. But we just wash our hands when we could if break any doors, window to address problem. And we serve not the fear when it comes to issue of confronting gross injustice meted against our people. Somebody called me today. I didn't see your phone. He said, they don't collect it now, and they see your phone never come. I say, come. If I do see your phone for you, and somebody went across that land, not be only see your phone I do for you. If you reach the time to fight to defend your land, I must be part of it. I'll do see your phone for you. And maybe the see your phone don't your hand, and you now, somebody come go, if somebody don't know see you don't see your phone, one go enter that land, and you did anywhere around the world. You don't need to come. Empower me to scatter these people come over there. You go there, go carry your land back. When you see small picking for road, you will carry go, and you be going to say, you want me to slap you. You say, try out now whether you will sleep. If you don't let you slap, you go to ask questions who will be. So a man must take excuse from a man before a man can allow himself to be slapped. Before somebody slap you, you don't say, man, slap you. You say, yes, slap me before I slap you. If you say, man, slap you, say, no, no, if you slap you. Somebody comes, you want me to slap you, they say, brother, I beg, no, I beg. You don't tell us to slap you. But you say, you want me to slap you, try and I mean, you know, I want you, whether both do you no. So family, you know, first slap. Bros, if you go there, ask question, you go wait first. Now, when you see you feel you come back or slap you. When you know say you don't fit do anything. When you know say you fit do anything, say if you self try and una two go back, you will be very careful. He or she will be very careful. I've never come here on social media to tell you that I'm a perfect man. I never come here social media to tell you that I'm better than the next man. No, I'm not better past anybody. But my goal is let us all just mind our business. Mind your own, make me mind my own. As I just say like this, my dear brothers and sisters, of the truth. That's the problem to me in a way. Because now what we they do, now the poor. If not now, I don't know when I watch television reach. If not now, will be yes. The time we will take come back. My kids don't do the this they finish. They'll sit down, they watch cartoon. Me get time for cartoon. I'll come relax. If I do live in the I run enter food because me like food over jele pampa. As I run enter the food to the cocoa, I make the treat messages so they send me for WhatsApp. I reply the one I feel meet up with. They are for bed. Early morning again by 6 o'clock. My man don't wake up. Hello. Good evening, boss. Oh, very sorry, sir. Maybe I was a little bit busy yesterday, sir. Sorry for that, sir. Very fine, sir. But sir, I would have loved a situation where you identify yourself, sir. Because I not really save this number, sir. Not very, sir. I say I would like when you identify yourself more, sir. I not save this number, sir. I beg not very, sir. Yes, sir. I beg not very, sir. Sorry for that. Sir? Oh, yes. Give me some few minutes and some minutes. Now the other number I give you now. Now sorry, still your number put. People are coming in already. But just give me some few minutes. I did a little bit engaged now. As I talk to you now, I keep so many people on ground, and it's a sign of disrespect. So I beg, I'll talk to you later. I beg. Okay, thank you very much, sir. I'm very grateful, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. So, sorry for that, my people. I beg while going. It's just that the phone, they ring for the young man pocket, and then I see him. Now that land when I advertised today, where I saw one set for Okeze, why back of police station. Oh, Bob, if you see that land, not be here word I live. Back of police station. So first, if you buy that kind of land, only thing you're going to look for, say, make God want me you get 24 hours life. Because when you come to security is guaranteed. Back of station.
Yeah.
You know, but Okeze community Netherlands.
You sleep outside.
So the truth of the matter is very simple. So sorry for that. I just have to bring that in. You know, even if say you do watch ITV news, EBS news, if you talk, you say, well, you will say bring advertisement of business. Now make a bring down a normal advert. I think it's one that they say, let me give an example. They say, after the news, they'll say, let's go for a short break, isn't it?
Yeah.
You come here. Make una come see one water, oh my brother don't bring come. We get water, we get light, we get that don't be every house that we simply come inside now. Please of my land. Una pump that land. Una pump that land. That land that Ogonge is too clear. So outside that, let's go to our normal discussion. So I think as a people, we must continue to work as a team. What do you don't know? Beg to no one. I get jealousy for men as a human being, but not an improper jealousy. We have two types of jealousy. We have proper jealousy and improper jealousy. Proper jealousy and jealousy where you say, Jesus Christ, I live I do this thing. Oh boy. What I live. Now you get this thing makes sense. So, bros, how you take 200? You see, CIB. I will do my own. That is my kind of jealousy. Not be say, how far I live? Now you get these slippers. Now my own. Man, why you go buy this kind of slippers? You get one of my friend get that slippers, no, this your own, this your own, the main one. And brother, you cannot even bear that one. You love him for your man, but for outside, you dey criticize. So we cannot be a party to that. The truth is, let everyone mind their business.
So,
There are see, you get what God designed for you. We even need say, let's take an example. Some people they will be say they don't really conclusive. Want to give them this job. Other people say I want to do this job. For an example. Other people your cause say, no give am o, no give am o. If you give am, now you sabi o, no give am o. No matter what you talk, that person will go ahead and give the job. But if that one not be your own, if they not designer for you, no matter what you do, you know, call yourself. As I tell you just now, if you prevent your friend from being a king, you cannot be a friend to a king. As we speak to their no many staffs, they work with me. If you think I'm lying, go and meet the tell them say, right now as we speak, more fan want to fuck this your chairman up. Not because I don't reach chairman, but for the work level, they say I'm say they're happy. They don't listen to you. Because many it they hard before they go buy food for their ass. Just like the way it be before. Thank God say we don't no, we don't feed wine in the morning, wine in the evening. Before now, we'll leave wine in the morning, we can go eat another kind too. They will feel your not sleep the next day. But now, it doesn't grow from wine in the morning, wine to wine in the evening, which is 2 times a day. They're coming from Nigeria, I'm not going to see you. People are suffering. Now let me state in Edo State, I know Ogri say the other state. That person was openly come out for publics. They celebrate say, I remove food for a man. I remove food for a man. Why will you be? How on earth will you be proud to be removing food from the mouth of people? How will you be proud about that? I deal with her, my dear brother. Anybody that is above, brothers and sisters, sorry, anybody that is above 18 years, you have the right to use your resources to do whatever you choose to do. If Osakunokodi comes in to tell you why are you using it like this, I'm a tatafo, except on the ground that you needed a well orchestrated advice in respect to massive investment. And we should not give an advice based on the fact that because we hated Mr. A or Mr. B. As we speak today, bros, as we speak today, Osakunokodi is nobody. Yes. As we speak today, in my area, women day for Ibubai, I know who senior me, and I know who I see. I know fit tall. See, be elders who will know what would they call brother some 10 years ago. Excuse me. Alpha. Okay, the landlord door. Go and call your mommy for me quick. All right, they come. Okay. So that is it. I know because say now because the people you go Europe, they say Sakunokudi. You go America, they say Sakunokudi. You go Canada, they say Sakunokudi. You go Saudi or you go anywhere, they say Sakunokudi. You're going to say, "That man go car which one?" And that year, me they say that year. No, the truth of the matter is very simple. When they say this, if you point this out, the rest point to you. You don't know, not before only insult or everything you do for life, it will come back. Now you mean. I see the one who senior me. I say, go and sit down with that man, maybe go sit down. Maybe because maybe I see 5,000 naira spend and I get 5,000 naira as a account balance. Fine. open door for Bushi. Back. Because I see 5,000 naira spent. When they say nobody knows tomorrow, it's for both rich and poor. The rich can be poor and the poor can be rich. So when they say, don't worry, nobody knows tomorrow. No rich man, no go corner, go to laugh, say, yeah, nobody knows. Now for the both, a poor man, why you do that? One of the top people push is not to use for live video in the whole of Guinness. Orebeni, not be joke. Ask from Wimberley Etaoye, the highest, one of the highest. Now let Mahmoud do that time. Pass me for Wimberley and Johnny. With the load 11, 20 liters for one wheelbarrow from not be up Jesus that year. From up Jesus, carry and go in the market. Every day. From wheelbarrow we enter here. And when I told those things, I don't know say God will prepare me. Because of that suffer, my brother, if one I enter my hand, I use that where the saints, rocks. Because I don't want to return to wheelbarrow pusher. I don't want to return to wheelbarrow pusher. That's the truth. So, because of that, and as I did so, I did fear one thing for life. I did fear to laugh person. They say, no man laugh before. Now, I fear pass. Now, that's I fear pass. And for those who know me, for my son who ask question, I don't get one human being where they trade. They say, now be the king of you to stop or hear the king could know, maybe trade and know, but they fear to laugh. Before Benin say, I'll be okay, God, I tell you, now they know the meaning. As I talked yesterday, I know one man, they call a Kayama. He did lucky with his side. That Kayama, he get a complete everything there with him bound. After you talk now, you blend now. If somebody take Kayama, like 10 years back, say, Kayama, you, or let's say 11, 12 years back, you will later be blind. Because you are human. If you even sue the person for damages. But today, that's it happen. So normal like before, when I go for street, you not get anybody when we go see today now. If you like, you put me for inside private jet. See, I'll come see him. I did private jet. I know him. He know me. I'll come and look at me, but see me say I did private jet. Maybe I'll come with me, greet me, become me did private jet. No way. Bros, don't know, sir. Because the private jet they never see, the new version where they never make, they make the past where they don't make. And who want driver later? Nobody know. Who want drive that private jet later? Okay, bless again one where you put any you go to remove. Bushi. How many can you do? It's silly. Drop one for a second, it's free for me. It's the worry you know. This my weather where they do with me steady so it dey misbehave. It dey misbehave. By shoulder the weather. They are not poet to ground so. Go say it dey misbehave. So that's the point. So that's the point. Because that private, I talked yesterday and I want to repeat that today. The word is excellency. They never bring some people who will answer that name. Government will never see. Never many pass. No one will not see. Some excellency they will never bring, but it's going to be excellency. So if you get chance, if you get opportunity, not look the next man saying a lazy man that God give you. Not going to talk say the problem I'm having with them is that they don't know how to hustle. They don't know. If nobody knows what's happening, go this hustle until when the people begin say, "Oh yeah, go do this one, go do this one, go do this one." I never want they talk say, "Ideas doing what?" You don't hear say they say, "Let me state this clearly by the power of God Almighty. May God not let me brag in Jesus' name." So if I talk this word, not take them as bragging. He not get wheels. I'm going to put it no free go say one go do holiday. by the power of God Almighty. Not be brag. Which of the day we need to rest, it's normal. But to us, that is why when you see on Sunday, at the deliberate day of my food, till on Monday. From a Monday to Saturday, I am a workaholic. I am a workaholic. I never press computer one day say I want to do Yahoo. I never collect person money. Join my own. I not criticize anybody when they do the business to get it clear. I only say an example. I just tell you, say, we just do our own individual hustling. A former vice chairman of Iguomo community. I know I done one day. And when it comes to the issue of land grabbing, I came out and I fought it. I said we must fight it to the end. And as we speak, now the governor said it delays some of us. That's the truth. Because we are waiting for the PPP committee. We never see. If the PPP committee come out today, petitions begins to go in with immediate effect. People don't know the reason why media always come and say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. My dear brothers and sisters, why will not go say thank you? Ask. Why would not go say thank you? Now I'm talking on the live video. Now my data I buy. Did I buy your own? Did I pay for your own data? I'm using my own data. But you are using your data to watch me. Take her to the rest. Take her to the restroom. This one another old general Kubai. Now they with me so word Aliu. They with me here. Now MBD so yeah no. Yeah no. Take her go restroom now my party with that. No need for. So as we speak, may God not give us the kind of opportunity. Who can say those who gotta grow, they not be person. Go on, share the time now. So if they tell you, see all this one set of people who go out today, this night, you go believe? No. I will be paid. And like as I did now, I not get the time I tell you, say I bam, say everything do with me. God for people I say, if anything not do with me, no feel that for me. People are not tell you see. But you see anybody will say, we are the man, the economic man for this town. If you go down, bro, try me not go down. Sister, try me not go down. Just the way if you go, the way people still laugh you. And God will forgive those that laugh at you because you created the opportunity for them to laugh at you. God will forgive those who laughed at you because you created the opportunity. Bring yourself down. Bring yourself down. As I tell you, so I don't go feel deceive you. I never one day come out and say, now me, even when we do elections, when people they support through me, so I'm going to go this one, so I'm going to go this one, so I'm going to go this one. We don't go criminal people remove. I go back to the central, so I'm going to go this one. I never one day go somewhere and say, may I say, yes, I'm also going to hold it. You can see all what I've been doing in respect to the campaign. Or may I see those people when they send me to, may I say, I said I will do it. I always tell them, as we speak, now send the same message come here. Now send the send me message come here. Don't thank me. Thank our brothers and sisters who are acting through me. Now, Mr. Talk say, the diaspora now deliver God nobody knows that's your capacity for election. A day after the election, the former local government chairman of Urubi and one of our person here by meet themselves for ITV. That person opened up himself, say, if not be the diasporans, we go tell their family members, say, if Obaseki don't win the election, man not come again. If for hard us. He say any house where they go, they'll say my sister for abroad say my go for Obaseki. My brother for abroad say make I go for Obaseki. My cousin for abroad say make I go for Obaseki. So send money for transport to their own area. The one will not get voters card, mobilize more people with voters card to make sure they go cast vote. When it results, they add them to because when they refer to manipulation, it dey take time. I know my phone wan take bus for abroad. We were there on ground where they follow election. We not get hypertension, these people wey dey watch. Then some people, one woman take, she not fit eat. As they announce Obaseki result, she send me 100,000 naira cash dash. He not use and send me on that message. Osakwano put me in New York. One send me cash again from UK. This one I only announced two now. Bros, leave the rest for somebody. Then tomorrow Osakwano put you come. He will say, hey, don't be. See, I'm hustling for myself. It is not the two people. What are you talking? If an adult man refuse to patronize me, who will I be tomorrow? Nothing. Who will I be tomorrow? Nothing. Somebody just joined this video now. His name is Stanley OJ. But it's for if this is a new page now, Stanley Usaide. This guy Stanley OJ when he watch me so. If this kind of guy see me for road, he give me slap. I suppose thank and say thank you for slapping me. But you wonder say what I talking. If he see me for road as mature as I am now, maybe my wife sit down for this chair, he come me. My wife look me, I say, baby, somebody come like that. I'll tell the man, say, I'll tell Stanley OJ, say, thank you very much for conking me. Thank you. I'll praise and enjoy. You know what? I will tell you. Before the elections in 2016, I was angry with Obaseki. Because I almost lost, immediately after the election in 2016, I almost lost my life for Obaseki election in 2016. I go say come back for that election. My eye finished, that's why till now. This is my eye. If you watch, if you sabi your life, you don't see me, you don't see this eye. Yeah, it be. Till now, I almost got out. No control, nothing. And that time, purely, I know hide down. I was looking for government patronage. I talk publicly. I know hide down. I was looking for stomach infrastructure. And the truth, they should come and give me, make me eat. I work. Because I believe, say, when you work in an election, you are supposed to be fair. And that time, never the fact that they give me an appointment to go to collect money. So it was purely stomach infrastructure. So when it reached 2020, 2019, a run-up for the 2020 election, I was saying that I don't support this man. At the verse, but meanwhile, I don't support Oshomole. But they use Oshomole as a tool, and I say, I am on the fence. This boy will here, so no let me rest. I want bros for Australia, Okumbo. I want Kingsley Mene. But that Kingsley Mene, he violently, you see, so I'm going to go there. Because he believed that if I should join the Togberian movement, I'm not proud about that. But I don't lie. If I want to fight, I fight finish. I don't look face. If I want to fight, I fight finish. If I can openly stand to talk to the deputy governor directly, not be one, not be two, even for my community matter, I can show you the video. If I am ready to fight, I will fight. But you see all those reckless fights when they do for social media, when they say this one send message to this, message to that. If not be all those attacks when they launch against me as a person, because I know quiet when you attack me. I only come back and explain, say, not be so a bill. When I don't explain, I'll come rest. If you continue to the mumu, no shaking. Because it was a silent is consent. Somebody says somebody is a thief, I not greet up. Say, I not come to and say, I not be thief. See why this man say I be thief. If I keep quiet, I agree. And I cannot allow a man like me for you better mind yourself, oh boy. For my own town, not do gra for me, not do. I did GIS, you know everything. When I want to say, man, as I'm gonna go there, I'm trying. You know if you're gonna hear me for, you go to form of, but you do Chris, not try with me. If you try with me, you even tell us you not do live video. That as you do live video, for come run and you face live video, the world will see them. Not be what you go to talk for back. Not be noise. Not be noise at all. Will not be, I'm not going to tell everybody say you're too good. I'm not good, but I try my best to. But again, with it, I know if you do. But you see those instant action, not bother will run quick, nose. instantly. We not yours better. So after all this guy, then he will come in. This will come and inbox. Now before you dey talk, 30 minutes, 1 hour. Including Zipiri Marvelous. All this one that leader will be say we go to see. Forget. We don't talk about whether I get money or you not get money. That's not my business. But when somebody have good mind towards you, comrade, come and listen. Is the real Marvelous see me for stadium? Come and listen. He go see me for come and listen. He go see me for bring social media art. When meeting want to attack governor, he will call me say no, come and relax. And he get the capacity to front me, but no front me, go call me to order. This group of people will mention their names. Bosses, we enter this opportunity. I never give any of the $1. Who is enjoying it now? But when they advise me there, say, good. See where you go, see where you go. I don't know, say, now, sister, get it there, to me. So I only use this as an example. I use her as an example. Not the politics I discuss. But waiting, my point is very clear. Anybody will give you that to take land. Not say because you don't grow, you don't know everywhere for that place. Say that person not the human being again. If you don't, that person may not be able to bring you back to where you started from. But God must certainly humble you. You cannot bring down a man with good conscience. No. That is why. First, let me greet my brother, Mr. Jolly. You are watching me here, Mr. Jolly. I want to greet you. If there are other Jolly watching me, I want me to know, say now you, Jolly, will get 3 plots for Ukuruma community. That's what you tell me yesterday. So now you already talk to me. I greet you. I never one day to do live video. Say you know they can watch. I never see, and you must stay. If I did talk, anybody to watch me, I would cry. So for you watching me at all, the appreciation. You mustn't come and give me business first before I say thank you. Because as we do what they go so, my effort. And we are glad about it. So when somebody give you opportunity, because you see yourself as intelligent, you can't feel infiltrate. Everybody can't like you, can't see adopt you. Don't go and look for a way to pull those who gave you the opportunity out. Don't pull them out. If you try, you are not pulling them out. You are bringing down yourself. Let me tell you, those kind of enjoyment is for the temporary. Because life is all about recommendation. Life is all about recommendation. The first 100 survey when I do na individuals. From after that survey, the next one, or say audio number, or say audio number menu, or audio number women, or who will ye, or like do work. For those who know the evidence, that my friend give you that number, give me your number. Those are good. He said that you doing survey, and you doing it your phone. I want to know. Life is all about recommendation. So when people call me, hello, Zapolo, but you don't call me when they say, if you Zapolo, I'll be calling you, you know the pick-up. Are you so stupid? As they tell me that way, I look at I say, if I wait now, if I no face, no be my fault. The pastor shocked, say, because I was expecting me to say, why are you telling me that I'm stupid? A businessman, you tell me I say I'm stupid, why you say I'm stupid? Now, do you know that I did, only that month, I did 7 surveys for him. If I had told him, okay, go and sit down. Say nobody reach. My brother, where for the put to the where for the table they put, they go. Go and bring yourself down, let people assist you. Go and bring yourself down, let people assist you. Nobody get everything. Say who they be, who they be. No, it doesn't work that way. It's not a complete. You turn the fuel. You're not gonna enter inside. Then now when they sin, now you come to do. Go to elementary. So now it's not complete for you alone. You need. Somebody asked me whether I say your food will take up to 3 months. If they pass, I'm not going to tell you that. If they pass, before now 3 months we talk, but she only let us talk 3 months. If they pass, I beg, I'm not going to tell you that. If they pass. So that is the truth. In the life that we are in, experience to me is a hard teacher. I know where they come from. I know where they come from. I know how they turn there. My dear brother, I know say na human being they assist person. I know say na human being they assist person. If you need that for yourself, you say, Father, in the name of Jesus, I want all things to be better for me in Jesus' name. Father, come say amen. God will never throw money from heaven to you. Now one person will knock for your door. Call. I saw the advert that you do something. The federal government said they needed this. Let's just approve this contract. You're going to check under your door, back of window, whether I get one broom and red cloth with the tie give you. Say, if you talk, neither of the you go shock. Now human being, God. So never you made a mistake to look down on anybody. Don't ever make such a mistake to look down on anybody. Let your business be your business. If you don't have business, create a business. When you say create a business, don't mind that your business. Leave the next man to live his life. Somebody called me one day and said, if you want to live video, you need to don't come, wear your shirt, use the powder, fill up glass while you like. I said, I'm not be true. I'm not going to talk to anybody like me. Say me they or come inside baby. Me they can't believe me, no. Or can't make anybody feel no. As you just said already, if I just still come and say and suit that way, I just sit down, I don't know a Poco live video. If I don't get topic, I know they can't do packaging for anybody. Say, what will I be? Singlet. It's not supposed to be singlet. You know this type. Wow. I'm not too savvy. That's why I don't expect anybody to do quarrel with somebody like me. Bros, if you notice that I am doing what is wrong to you, you don't like call my attention. That's why some friends day today when you know me and before, I hardly go see the wife now. I hardly go see them. You cannot just say me and you not friend. Something you get something women don't know for your mind against me. A resentment. You go social media. Go they say, yes, like my friend, I was going like my friend, and you send Baba damaging message. My phone number there you on, you know use them. You call Facebook. After you go and finish, you say we'll call sit down and talk. I know go hate you. I know verse on you. I will run from you, not be vaccination. Because if you get the ability to use food something for my drink, You do am. That's a clear act of jealousy. It is a clear definition of jealousy. I wrote something on Facebook. Was not there before yesterday. I said, be very, very careful. Your enemy know nothing about you. It is your friend that updates them about your development. Your enemy knows nothing about you. Be very careful. I want to say be very careful. So, not me saying that you good. You may even be the bad person. So when we say be careful, those things will make your own friend safe. Look for a way to update your enemy against you. Try me not see the one. Then when you not do one, somebody try and want to do those things against you. It not go work. It not go work. It not go work. So to me, I continue to say and I repeat, I have no option than to continue to thank the source of my life as approved by our ubiquitous God. God don't come from heaven. My phone didn't sometimes I say, hey, my head. I like him. I like the call. But there are people who that will sit morning till evening, nobody will call you. Nobody will call you. So if we are receiving your call, I should be glad. I cannot go on Facebook not to go and write. Nobody should be calling me. Oh. Nobody should be calling me. Oh. If they don't call me tomorrow, I'll say, come and say, yeah, they know they call me. Oh. That's confusion. That's confusion. So my dear brothers and sisters, believe you me, from the bottom of my heart, I'm indeed very, very grateful. I raised an issue in respect to our people thing. I raised an issue. Please, let's make that a focus. All live video presenters should pick this. Let us transcend social media. Because before, not until recently, I not really said that they did anything like live video presenter. None of us read mass communication. Now Facebook give where they pull live. Now we click. People call later say they follow the watch us. That does not make us special. That does not make us special. Life for Facebook, they everybody Facebook. There are some people that they will not bother to talk or true. But you wait till say you did Facebook 247. Now they will call you tell you say see what happened today. But they don't talk. So to me, may God not give me the opportunity not to remember where from come and those who make things possible for me. God not give me that kind of opportunity. And may God not give me the kind of money where will make me see who me know before. Or my friend gonna go and say me go see that. Except if I know, because when I know say my friend is planning to bring me down to Kenya, I'll run from her. And I know if they see you, they pretend, but they laugh with you. We go know so with the poor, if I see we will pass each other. Don't greet me and I will not greet you. I know the plan bad for you, but the best part is stay your lane. I actually we know if you call the police, but they say, I'm far, I'm in the verse, I'm a will. No. You should know that I'm running away from you. Run away from me as well. Because all in all, maybe we may even end up saying, all this one we talk so that may wrong. Now make that person the best, but you know say we run from each other. I cannot talk say because of say the thing concern me that I've said that all of the wrong. Say me no you're wrong at all. Say that me good. No. A real friend cannot come out when something happens. As you dig, not dig. How can you be digging your friend? You get anybody will be Jesus. You get who perfect. The person where you want to go tell that story. If you dig you know say me say better person. The one way you want to go tell your story. If we dig you know say you 7 want to go talk you better person. All of us there for body, but we try to try. There is no perfect human on earth. Any perfect human will claim say too perfect. I beg you travel go heaven. Nobody want to die, but everybody want to go to heaven. If you are too perfect, leave the earth for us, because even God know, say the earth is meant for imperfect human. So, if at the end of the day, you know, say, you too perfect, give us chance. We will be imperfect people. We will try and manage. Maybe for a very good day, we go near perfection. But for now, I'm not getting chance to tell you, see, all right, boss. Okay, William E. Willie, I've been seeing your point. Sir, I agree with what you said. We're going to interact immediately after the broadcast. So that is the point. That is the point. So to me, my brothers and sisters, and ordinarily, I'm not supposed to I'm not supposed to talk this kind. What make me come to this discussion? Now, two reasons. One, this is how technical matter. Two, I see and say, as in, with all the with a blind we come from state, we will carry on that person matter for head, and it's pathetic, it's painful. Let us all focus, man. Focus, and mind your business. Let every individual do their thing. If you do your own, I do my own. No man can live in isolation. So then you are there. If they give you $500 billion, they say take. All the food stuff in the world, they say take. They throw only you for the earth. Everybody come out. You not go to communicate with. Bros, you choke yourself, Mr. Benai. Please, Ben Light, thank God you're here. As I just see you now, I remember. Sir, Ben Light, please, by Thursday next week, we'll go for your site inspection. Please, send someone to meet me. Thank you, Ben Light. I don't use that as a means to inform you. So, that is the truth. My dear brother, I may not tell you loud. You get the way me to the view life. You get the way with me to the view life. You get the way me to the view life. Everybody with you. When your own can't get problem, run down to the next man, seek for help. Not be help to get and eat, help to stabilize yourself, so that tomorrow you say will help others. No worry, you will know my real explanation. Because it was long life. My wedding anniversary is coming up again. We did it last year. But you go see him. It not go big. I not go invite any big person where you know me know. But one way just choose 1, 2, 3, join me up. You see, I say now me and those my local friends. Like go dey. And the way they did last year, not be so they did this year. For inside that place. Now they by themselves, they use their mouth to talk, not me go tell you. Through the help and the petrol they do, where they watch me, they give me. So I won't lie to you. More than 10 families, they eat well. I not say more than 10 persons, 10 families. That is to say, if one family in a 5 times I say more than 10 families, they eat well because of your petrol. Will not be who will get me, just come. Take your own. You know if you poor, not my if you poor and worthy. But you see that you carry and go. That you carry go, now you won't be that man. Make you see you that one. If only you will all of them. Then they say the child check well. One very day you hear the child the motor be the enter. Amen. You don't know the story. So that's why all hands must be on there. So Stanley Oje, Okumbo, Kislimene. Me and Kislimene not they agree. Because whenever we get issues for states, it get you the support against you. But whether you support person against me, you not support me. When you for do good, I will talk am. So because of that, Kingsley Mene, I must appreciate you. I must say thank you. I know if you tell you that. Nobody, I was a nobody in the past. I climbed through Obaseki's park. Now Obaseki matter make people know me like that now. Motor true. Who knows how to put? Oga carry ticket go. He talk to campaign music. Now then, and that's why I mean honor. If somebody tell me say Oga carry ticket go bring me to this level, I don't believe now. I don't believe now. Not be one day break we happen. Now they break. What is the happen? That means that guy sing that song. They go break again. They go break. You get that music there? Hello? You get they go break. That song, I do like that song. You see that level you get before, they go break again. See, bros. Men don't know the reason why. At the top with experience. I know we are media for you for this time. I feel not get level, but I don't sit it. Now me disagree with old man. When one old man say, wait is small picking, waiting you see when you sit down. Small picking, I say not paper, not true to those days. But for now, you get it. If I when you to school, they shoot you one, they say the bullet pass you, you can't go hit war. Hello, Ali, you dey feel me? Pushing dey feel me? That's the truth. No one talk about a double. Et no one or more than one. Kaze. I mean, c'est le dîner. With all this experience, then you say I didn't leave. Somebody accused me, say, I will insult this boy, insult you. You only look at the face, you dey fear now. Nah, la. So I do this life, you know. My children they around me. Internet never forget. This your behavior, each one will come out every year for Facebook. Every year will come out as memory. One channel to see channel, you will start to talk again. Every year, they are going to come internet and say, no. But when you lie on me, I will come and defend myself. I not to see. But will not come out to raise them first against you. No. Because I cannot be worried about your growth. If I don't want you to be a king, I can never be a friend to a king. Stanley Ojo, I must thank you. You don't know why I thank you, Stanley Ojo. You don't know. Your name is Stanley. Me na Stanley. What you tell me? You say, man, Stanley, I never see any Stanley where they done before. And go check this one. You know, see who Stanley has name. What you will see is Stanley knife. A 2-head sharp. So those are going to go the. We not the lie, but we not the rush. We not do, but we not the rush. I be standing. You go and check. See so you look. Go look for Stanley. If you see those Stanley, if you did abroad, I don't give you recharge card because recharge card not reach where you be. But if you did Nigeria here, you see any those Stanley. If you can see a those Stanley, I promise to recharge your phone with 10K. You know the. But I like peace. Live and let's live. If we can, if you feel choose to bring yourself down, me and you feel work out for 20 years, we no quarrel. I know they follow person. And if have you ever seen me when they want to live you, we come go to do broadcast. They say they have to move the goal with convoy. We have to move. They say those are going to no. Now the no, I don't get all those kind of laugh. I don't need them. I don't need them. The point we made is very clear. And those people worldwide, God will extremely bless you. God will continue to bless you. Before I round up, I tell you this one. Take this one. Before you bow down, I repeat, before you bow down, I repeat again, before you bow down, try me, you know the now that you want back. No go back on me now. Because if you back on me now, even if you say government don't take out today, government will take out one day. You get one community now. Somebody they produce over 10 plots. You want me to tell on top of government land. You know the place now. Somebody called me this evening. Say, I watched one of your video. You mentioned one community. Say this whole area, this part of that area, now government land. You say, but somebody they produce the place want you to tell. And because you want to build the tell me, say you know what you want to do. You want to build it, not me say you know what you're supposed to do. Now money you get. If you don't have the information, if they share money for your backyard, somebody where they Saudi Arabia will get the information will come collect. You wait this out not losing money to play for your backyard. Saudi Arabia will collect. You need the information. So because somebody is building an hotel, it's not a yardstick for you to say, let me just buy it now. If you buy it now, you service your own cup of tea. If you buy it, now you service. But I will tell you the best, and I'll give you the best advice that will help you. Now, again, for me. Somebody called me today. The another reason that you grab this one, but they grab them, they the woman land, they piano. And I told the woman to come and see me on Saturday. And I will still send the woman, make it come meet one for the community. Me not they come, but yeah, me not they come, not get time, not they come. But you see, we are sitting down, so I'm from here, art. So that issue should be resolved amicably. It should be resolved amicably. Let the woman call it. Get one again for Amaba. I will reach out to the leadership of Amaba. Because for that one for Amaba, the issue not really concern the leadership, not two individuals. But I think when there are leadership, the leadership are in the best position to resolve such issues. I don't feel put my belly tear onto UIB. But the only thing I have to tell you is this. I really do appreciate. I really do appreciate. No matter how proud I may be, no matter how proud I may be, for an example, I know if you come up and say, and this is your food, I already do so. And this of it, I also do want to assist people. I know how to do it, not allow. Not to eat. Not to eat too. So, I so much love what I'm doing, and I appreciate those who continue to make it possible. Don't hurry. Fear, let me read your comments. Don't hurry. Then your comment caught my attention. But fear, let me read that. But I make sure that maybe you don't say I see. So that's it. Uh, Let me appreciate our people. Don't hurry. Usazua, the boss, Ben Light, Usaro, APC, Ryan, Ukwegbe, Orubo, boss. I so much thank you. I know link who you bring for me. What they do so with Jolly Odion, the man who sabi Williams himself. Williams E. Willie. Williams E. This is your name I like, but the last Willie. If you put Willie again, don't be Willie Willie. Oh. We remember that they say Willie don't die. Tipa tipo, killer tipa tipo. Na chili killer tipa. Oh Willie, hot cash. That drama then was called Oscars, and then when they show no now Oscars the first show when they don't finish Oscars, we dey call entire Shawuru. Olóko show dúdú ẹbọrẹ mi gbà. Olóko show dúdú ẹbọrẹ mi gbà. Àrùn mẹ́ta. That time when they grow, they come with the words that woman will say, I am at anger. What is an I am at anger? We don't say that time. She say, I am at anger. That will say with this. I said, I am at anger. We say, I am at anger. We don't say they say, I am at anger. I am at anger. Never that I am at anger. Oh, the Shawuru. So I want to say big thank you to you, to Stanley OJ, my senior mentor, Adams Freeman. Adams Freeman, boss, you are a great man of inestimable value for those who I can see, Don King Osazua. Bros, I don't tell you that. For more than 1 week, you feed my family. Happy mentor social. I want to say thank you, boss. Thank you. I'm still going. Zibiri Marvelous. The boss, if I have to wave you, I wave you with Zibiri Marvelous. Ino woman ma usas. Woman ma usas. I salute you, boss. I'm not selecting to salute, regardless of your comment. Thank you for as long as you came to watch me. I must Jumbo Imade, aka the world 5. Jumbo Imade, my sports 5K, all the way from Olympic. The man that got my back. They never made me don't begin a shout for Olympic. Say, "What's up, boy? Cool." Those are real men that can stand for you. You're not greedy. The world 5 I salute you. Salute. Let me go ahead. Juliet Igbodala. What if they worry me say? If I let me wave Juliet Igbodala. So I heard they hail all the men since I not try to hail women. Although not the time. Oh, the most Patrick Akoba, I greet you. David Odigem. I salute you. Thank you for watching me. Thank you for watching me. Thank you. Oh, Destiny Ignorance Omoha. Hey. Destiny, boss, I know accept that one. Now you be my chairman. You don't know the story. Boss, I'm very bright. Igbinoba. I so much thank you very much. That you make my head big now. That alien, he big my head. Man, thank you for the appreciation, bro. Show me some love. The love, not the tear. Now, if you never give me love, show me some love. Then share the video. Make we still make. Oh, see the love. Thank you very much. Man. Thank you. I'm indeed very, very grateful for your effort so far. May God continue to bless you wherever you are around the world. My dear brother, all the things, all the work you do through me, you get more than 10 persons where we fit work for you, or you choose me. You get more than 10 persons where you say, go do this, or you choose me. Then what do you expect from me? Nothing than appreciation. Because if you don't give me, and you don't even tell me, I don't know. That time you see one big plate. So, Babi Allah give me money. Babi Allah give me. Today na Sunday, kilo shaba. But you refuse to allow it be. You said you want blue kata for night. What's happening to body? You want brush your teeth. What just happened to body? You want comb your hair. What just happened to body? And I will not come back here to say, yeah, well, like you, without me, they're not fit. Who am I? So, what I owe you is effective service delivery and a thank you. And a thank you. Because one man called me yesterday, that we by the government. He says, I'm I'm angry. He says, what's happening? I call you, now go take all this bull, and then you will not see. Some people didn't know when me like was. And they make call where the man, not the way I do. And the time from now, it's not the day so when the man is big. And it's true. It's like people repose confidence on us. Timothy Odion. Now, like this Timothy Odion, I know what this Timothy done before. Timothy. Why was the vice chairman of my community? He gave me the highest support. And with all the advice to make sure, say, I don't engage myself in an activity that will tarnish my future. We never told less of vice matter. Land grabbing matter come on. And you not saying that you are not, you know, a former vice chairman. And why you not get bad land grabber? And I said, you go and get me somebody who said, I grab Islam. Also one bring up. Say na you, he grab it down. If it is true, immediately we resolve and say, take your money. You can't see any of such. Or one person, bring one person come out. One. Say na so in the work we said, I can't call there, I can't see something. Bring one. Bring one person come and say, in the work for inside, I can't come there, I can't let this mate spoil. I not say bring two, bring one. Land no person don't say, I know they sell them. I don't know before, I don't say they not sell them. But I not sell what person say, and not one. So to me, I think I'm glad. I know I am glad. And God will punish me if I refuse to acknowledge those who is making it possible. My brother Stanley OJ say, come tell us your future political ambition because you deserve more. I'm ready to give out millions to support your ambition. Thank you very much, bro. But in Nigeria, if the governor of the state not do like this, you contest, they'll chop your money. They'll chop your money. We never get that political independence where people, apart from the one who get for this last of us again at the election. And I pray that Edo people uphold it. As we don't feel agreement, as we say agreement, nobody can be a godfather. Obaseki cannot be a godfather of Edo politics. If he rule finish, initiative, it will give the process chance to decide who becomes the next governor. Say me your by say now this one no will. If we say no to godfatherism, it must go across board. It will not be useful A. When it gets to B, will say no more better now. It must follow suit. At the end of the day, it's going to be for the betterment of Edo State. Why are people speaking today freely? Because a man will spend his money to ensure that a person gets to power. We always say, what's happening? He get right to speak. Then what do you expect from me? Because nobody should not come out to counter a man who said, why a person can never bring this thing on this side? That's what he tell me. I should come and counter that person. I can't. Because he is part and parcel of the government and he made it possible. So he has a right to express anger or joy when it comes to the issue or the performance of the government. So to me, I have nothing to say. But in response to the question my brother asked me, that what's my future political ambition? I have an ambition. It is true. But I'm not desperate by any ambition. But I know, so when it reach the time for me to fall out, they will call me to fall out. I don't drag it. They will say, "Sakura, come fall out." I don't drag. I get friends who watch me and I don't comment now. You know, in last Paula team, we went to school together. I have so many of them watching me here. I received a call from my lecturer today in school. I know how many. We are together. The goal is, right from the one, not get the time. If I'm lying now, last Paula team, go comment to, you're watching me now. If I don't ever get one time from men say, move from what is stop, that guy may don't move for this matter. See the success come out. If I don't ever listen any of this thing for all our tight time we did it together in school, till even till after school, comment it here. If you didn't say me and anybody get quarrel or with the fight, no sin I look for my trouble or in the jealous, enough you accommodate. But because you know if you hide yourself, say you also feel maybe like as over secretary and doctor of this. You can say, hey, man, you hide yourself on the code, made not see him, made a decision. You know if you hide me, you're doing your own best. But say you want to hide me, no way. Because I be me, I will fight myself out. I be me. So if you see me as threat, not be my fault. Now your jealousy spirit make you no focus. Because now you're supposed to still be threat. But me not see you as threat because me fight my own to go. That don't go, you know, fight your own, I fight my own. These are the salient points that I choose to raise this evening. I want to say a very big thank you. In fact, thank you should be more than all my discussions today. Thank you should be more than, because to me, I know what you guys have done, and I must continue to acknowledge and appreciate. In 2014, robbers attacked me, collect my Audi. The robbers will collect my Audi by themselves, tell me with they collect my BlackBerry phone. As they block me, I tell them, say, time my eye, because I know everybody for Uber. And this thing I'm for Uber. Time my eye, I don't want to know anybody, I don't want to see. Because if I see you, if you see I will call police later, but tell you, and you want off me there. So please, I beg, I don't want to see anything. Time my eye. When me, as the robbers, they rob me, they go. Now they say, open my dad, I own you, man. They say, they collect my wedding ring. Good. They say, come. Why you work for that? Now robbers talk so they create us here. No worry, this is your motto. You go see him. We go buy full tank of fuel for your motto. Now they throw me for Jamila Junction. They tell me say your phone you go see him. Me no say that phone, not be thief that phone. Now so the next morning really, SCK police station don't read me. Because me go report for Oregon, they can't read you. Then all the police there after that, when they see the vehicle, the next one they read me. When I want to collect the motor from station, then the police tell me, he say, I'm with you. You see I'm back. The money will take by this motor clean. Now if not, nothing will make you see this motor. Now my wife give me 1,000 naira. But today will come. So the point being made is very clear. Bible even talk, if you bring yourself down, God will raise you. Another man money in a picture. So now use your money to do good. Now your money, you know that you can't and reach, you know dash me. Na picture. Carry your picture, go. Maybe say carry my own picture. Another man money in a picture, you know give me. Fight for your own, me fight for now. As me day so, I know they wait for person. That's what they want. Last Polatine, they watch me now. You know, with this man when they call him, my party day is in America now. They watch me. You know, when will you come up from school? Ask me. I go also be the plan. He go say you are go. What you to you know the go anyway. Anywhere we see work, we go gotta go to one. Anywhere I see work, we gotta go to one. 9 days so. You know, the time we say we ought to fall down the weight. Even as at 2000, when we only come up for youth service, In days when I call and say I don't secure job for bank. For the bank waiting for work before you travel. A day when I call and say, come take work. If less don't they come for the builder they come. And there's no way we can go back. So anybody where they fly to Lagos now, you are wasting your time, man. You all leave me. You all leave the airport the you. Because if you even try to attack, we will ring. Not on the make us the ring. Focus. Leave us. To you, we are beast. To you, we are nobody. Let the nobodies just move in peace. Because to you, we not reach you. And our truth, we may not reach you. May you go with the big reach. With the small reach, we'll follow our level. After all these figures are not equal. Everybody with your own. This is the message I have this evening. I am indeed very grateful for you to join me tonight. It's not an easy road. I am extremely glad. God will continue to bless you all. I'm a pastor, but I know that good name, they say it is better than riches. Thank you and bye for now. Osa, we no quoting. Why I will say.
Now we don't hear from Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwunokwudi. Let us know what you think for this matter. Go to comment section, make you put your own. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Nigeria. Make I leave you with this video, make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.